Want to say good morning, Papa Bear, Papa Little Bear. Oh, he was crazy. He was tired from chasing too many rabbits. December 13th, 2022. This is day 8 of running diesel heater for Canyon's cute little girl. I filled this up yesterday around 5 o'clock in the evening, and it's now almost 10:30 in the morning. Next day, and you can see it did not use much fuel at all. I don't have it set very high. I think 2.1 hertz or 3 or something like that. Hi, baby. And we're maintaining about 48 degrees, 8 degrees Celsius, I guess. That's with a little bear coming in and out. Hi, Mama. How about you let us see that cute little chick? Hi, baby. We just took Aspen out, let my mom babysit the puppy. Yeah, her hadn't been out for many weeks, huh? Yeah, her wasn't too traumatized, but... Oh, you're not going to let me video? No video? But anyhow, I just wanted to see where I got her coming in here. Oh, that's nice. It's nice. About 7-degree wind chill outside right now. But them little diesel heaters work pretty damn good. Like I say, I think this is day 8. Been running that, and it's been running, well, pretty much for the last 36 hours straight. But what is that under there? But yeah, so and this is not sealed at all. Canyon's in and out. Bye, baby. Hello, Papa Bear. So anyhow, have had no issues at all. Oh, no, that's not true. I was blowing snow and I blew snow into the exhaust here. A lot of snow blowing into the exhaust will get your glow plug wet, and you will have some issues. But other than that, she's doing pretty good. You can see it hasn't even, just barely over half a tank of fuel for that many hours. And if you were in an enclosed tent or a room, it heated up pretty nice. Good for camping and emergency situations, little bear. So anyhow, yeah, I was trying to get you with it, Canyon Bear. Anyhow, so yeah, gonna go build another one today. I will be selling these. I'm not gonna lie, these ones aren't gonna be cheap. But I'm gonna also try and make just one for that emergency situation at home or whatever, and try and make it cheaper. It won't have all the fancy vents and stuff, but we'll see what I can do. But if anybody's interested, let me know. You can hit me up at skymilitia307@gmail.com. Let me know if you're interested in one, and we'll figure out a price and how to get her to you. Alright, talk to y'all later.